It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we are going to take a look at 2017-18 Upper Deck Premier Hockey. This is, I guess, Upper Deck's third most premium product now, behind Splendor and the Cup, and then probably this. Usually comes out really late in the season, after the season's over. Usually get a Rookie Patch Auto. There's some decent memorabilia in here. This, in my experience, has been a real hit or miss product. Like, you're looking for one big hit out of here, or you're probably not going to get the value that you might be looking for. Just the top is the best place to open it. So this is packaged in a tin. So that's what the tin looks like, with Wayne Gretzky on it. I believe also they do some autograph tins, so you have a chance to pull an autograph tin when you buy one of these. We do not have an autograph tin. Inside is one thick pack of cards. It's a super thick pack of cards. And let's open her up and we'll see how we can do this without spoiling anything, because this will be a relatively quick break. I'll go off camera for a second here. Put a little decoy on top of that. There we go. So, our first card is going to be a base card of Vladimir Tarasenko, 125 of 249. This is another set where, much like Black Diamond, I don't know that anybody actually collects the base set, because that could be pricey for a base set. Nice cards, though. Really nice design on this year's. We have a Premier Rookie of Colin White, 350 of 399. For the Sens. And next up is our Rookie Patch Auto, and this is a tremendous one. We've got Alex DeBrincat, number 150 of 199. 3-color Premier Rookie Auto Patch. Look at that. That is spectacular. Wow. Whew. So, remember when I said you're kind of looking for one big hit? That's a pretty nice one there. That is a pretty nice one there. Wow. All right. Where are we going to go from there? Let's grab one card. There's two here stuck together. Then we've got a Peachy Premier jersey card. New numbering of Erik Karlsson. And then we've got an autograph on card signature, Jesper Bratt. He's got a interesting signature there. And then we've got a dual jersey card, Christian Fischer and Clayton Keller, number 69 of 99, Premier Duels. And last card, we have a Premier Rookie jersey card of Alex Formenton of the Ottawa Senators. Very nice. Overall, you know, like I said, these tend to be hit or miss. I would consider this a hit, as a really nice patch for a really good player in his rookie year. Great card to get out of this. Great card. And that, folks, is 2017-18 Upper Deck Premier Hockey. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my other videos, please subscribe to the channel. That lets me know you enjoy the content I'm putting out. And, well, I think next we're going to have upcoming OPG Platinum, hopefully, coming out next. As long as it's not delayed again, I can't wait to see that. We're going to have another contest, or not another one, we're going to have our first channel contest coming up as we drive to get 100 subscribers, which, if you've subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing. I do appreciate it. But that's Premier Hockey, and we will see you next time.